We all know using the correct perforated lid is crucial to the result of an active microbial air sampling. Hi, I'm Roland from MBV and I promise you an exciting journey called black marking to clearly identify the perforated lids for MS100 air samplers. This is a perforated lid made of aluminum for portable air samplers like the MS100 NT. And this is a stainless steel lid for air samplers integrated into isolators like the MS100 ISO NT. Additionally, there are specialized lids for contact plates, growth direct plates from Rapid Micro Biosystems, and also for robotic handling. Here we go. To prevent mixing up different lids, we are marking them with a unique code. The code consists of a 2D data matrix and 9 characters. The first 3 letters denote the lid type. The following 6 numbers are the unique serial number. Attention! The first enlarged character defines the perforated sieve, the combination of number of holes and their diameter. The 2D data matrix encodes exactly the same information as the human-readable text. It permits scanning the lid and assigning it to the correct sample in a LIMS or other data management system. You may ask yourself, does this marking negatively impact the surface of the metal? For instance, regarding cleaning and disinfection? We specify a surface roughness of our stainless steel parts below RA 0.8 micrometer. Here you see a test protocol measuring across a character of a marking. RA is around 0.5. This is identical to the roughness of an unmarked area. How do we achieve that? Our production facility uses a picosecond laser-based marking technology called black marking. With this technology, tiny amounts of material are rearranged slightly below the metal surface. This changes the reflection of light, leading to deeply dark marking, but does not affect the surface properties of the metal. What about cleaning and disinfection? The lids can be autoclaved, cleaned and disinfected as usual. Another great advantage of the technology is the wide viewing angle that permits reading and scanning. Why are we marking all lids? With black marking, you can trace which lid was used for sampling. More on the fascinating subject of microbial air sampling on mbv.ch or our LinkedIn or YouTube channel.